Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this double exposure with Snapseed. That being said, guys, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is to, after importing your image in Pixellab, you need to adjust the image all the way to this end area here. As you can see this. Okay, I'll leave the size like this for you guys. Just adjust it to the end area there. Once I've done that, you just save your design, save this image here, right here, save it as a png and select ultra. So once you've done that, you save that to your gallery, and then I'm going to import this image which you just save in Snapseed. So I'm going to see you guys right now in Snapseed. So I'm in Snapseed. All you need to do is to click on this top icon here that shows open, and you select this image. So once you've selected this image, you click on tools, you click on double exposure, then you click on this plus icon that is down with the icon sign there. You click on the image which you want to use. So I'll select my image real quick. So once you've selected the image, it will be like this. Then you just rotate it all the way here, rotate it all the way here. I'm just going to do this. I think this is a bit small. I'll increase the size. So you can see, let the ending of this part here, the ending be touching is joy bit. So that is that. Let's see, let me okay, yes, you can see where his ear is. So you can increase your opacity, touch on this third icon and increase your opacity to see what you are doing very well. So that part of his ear is, I think it's okay like this. So you can see this, you can see this. You see there's a curved area here. Let his ear be in this area. So I'll reduce the opacity back. Okay, yes, that's that. If you want to increase the size, like I said, I think I can still increase the size a little bit, and I'll just rotate it a bit. Okay, yes, this is okay. This is okay, yeah, this is okay. So I'll just click on the, let me increase the opacity anyway, and click on this check mark icon here. So after doing that, I'll click on the top icon here, and I'll click on get it. So after doing that, I'll click on this double exposure, click on the middle icon, and then I'll start erasing this. Okay, it's all from this down arrow is at 100. So I'll just start doing this, doing this, doing this, doing this, doing this. Just hold on, just hold on first. Let's make everything visible first. Okay, so after doing this, I'll move this all the way to, let's say 75. Okay, no, sorry about that. Okay, so I'll move this all the way to 50. This ear is now visible, so I'll do this. Let's go to 75. Let's just move this to 100 at first. Go to 75, touch this ear area, touch the ear area. I'll go back to 75, the top area. Okay, 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 I think it's 50. Let me just leave it at 50. I'll touch the top area. Okay, I'll go to 75 again, and I'll do these areas. I'll just do this for this part here. I'm using 75. Okay, so I can't even see my real design anymore, so I don't know. Of course it's not going to be 100% perfect like that, but this is something. Okay, sorry about this. What am I doing? Sorry about this. Let me just erase this. Okay, yes, this is it. So erase the tree. You need to take it all the way to erase it totally, take it all the way to 0. That's how you just begin blending it. Let me take this back to 75. Alright, let me just take this to 100. See this. Okay, this is not too perfect, but okay, I've covered this here totally. Okay, that is all that I did. Like I said, I can't see my design exactly, so I don't really know. Let me just, I think I should work a little bit on this ear area. So I'll just do this. Okay, yes, I think yes, the ear area is okay for now. Yes, I think it is. So once you've done this, you just click on this icon down here, this check mark icon. So once you've done that, yes, I think it's okay. Yes, this should be okay. Once you've done that, you go back a little bit. Like I said, it can't be 100% perfect. So because of the rotation, it's also not 100% perfect. So you can try out some of the Snapseed editing tools here. Click on export to export your image, and click on save. So let me just show you the one I did with Lightroom real quick. So you can see this I did with Lightroom. So alright guys, yeah, just remember that we added the lens flare to this. You can see it, this part of his ears are glowing. So the image you just exported, we're going to open PSCC and we'll add our lens flare to this. So let's go over to PSCC and add our lens flare. I'll see you guys in PSCC. So once you've opened PSCC, so you click on this plus icon here, you click on photo library, you locate that image wherever it is. It should be in Pixellab. Okay, no, not Pixellab, it will be in Snapseed. So you locate Snapseed and open that. I'll just do that real quick. So this is it. I'll select the image, I'll click on add. So this is it. Like I said, see this. Okay, I think this, it doesn't matter, the air part, just make sure it's just similar to what is in this tutorial. Like I said, it can't be 100% perfect. So to add that your lens flare, you click on this icon here, this one down here, sorry, you click on the plus icon, you click on photo layers, you click on photo library, and you look for the since you're downloading it, or yes, you're downloading it, so it will be in downloads. So you just look for downloads and check out that lens flare. So I'll just do that real quick. So this is it. I'll select it and I'll select add. So you increase the size, so you can see. I'll increase the size. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me just increase the size. Click on this check mark icon, click on the FX at the top, click on photos, click on this first option, reduce it rather all the way to 4. Okay, let's leave that 48. I'll click on this check mark icon again. I'll click on this icon. I'll click on, hold on, this second icon at the down here. I'll click on, okay, I think that is screen. Yes, okay, yes, it's a screen. So this is it for the screen aspect. So after doing this, you click on this FX at the top, you click on basics, you click on Gaussian blur, so that the area, the edges won't be showing. You can see it. Just hold on. Once you've increase it all the way, you can see the edges are no longer showing. So you click on the check mark icon. Now let's duplicate it. I'll click on the plus icon and I'll duplicate it twice. So I'll click on OK and I'll lock this. I'll click on the first one. I'll click on this icon at the top. I'll click on transform, and then you can now move it the way you want. You can anywhere you want. So I think I'll just move it here. I think I'm okay with this. I'll move it there. I'll click on the check mark icon. I would go to the next one, enable the layer. I'll click on this hand icon at the top. I'll click on transform again. So now I can move it all the way from there. You can now place this maybe down here, but let me increase the size for this. I don't want this to be too much. Let me just leave it at this first. Okay, let me just leave it at that. So once you've done that, duplicated the lens flare wherever you want it to be. Like I said, the editing is on your own end. You can just do that here. Okay, with that, click on done. Once you click on done, you click on save. So once you've clicked on done, on save rather, you just wait for it to do this work. So once it starts done that, you can see there's a little bit difference. Like I said, from this two option, it's just the editing. So every one of you watching this tutorial can actually work on, edit it to your own taste. So click on the second icon here, you click on save to gallery, you select PNG, then you select the image which you want. I'll be selecting the first one. I'll click on the first one, then I'll click on OK. So once you click on OK, it's going to save to your gallery. It's going to save to your gallery. So once it has saved, you can now edit it with whatever software you want to use. I use Adobe Lightroom in all my tutorials. So let's just quickly see the one I did. So this is the one I did. You can see it. You can see that. You can see the lens flare. So let me just do this. You can see the before. And this is the after. The Lightroom just brought out the colors and everything the way I did edit. So that's how I actually did it, guys. So whatever software you are using, some of you are actually good with Snapseed, Pixart. So just do that and use that to enhance it very well. So that is that, guys. That is how I created this double exposure with Snapseed. So thank you so much, guys, for checking out this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.